So I'm going to talk about the handling of this car. I truly have been driving Mustangs and driving my Mustang for a little while. So I don't really, well, I can't say lately, but I have been driving Mustangs. So I don't really like the handling of the Acura. Like, it's just not for me. Like, when I drive the car, like, I can feel that the power it's a front wheel drive car. So I can feel the power going forward, but I just don't like the fact that I can step on the gas and kind of slide a little bit in the rear, or have that power, you know, pushing. It's just pulling. So I don't know. I don't really like it like that. But I can say that the speed that it will pick up to was pretty cool. Now, what was dope about the car is this. I was able to take a set of the wheels that I previously had. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I was able to take a set of the wheels that I had on the Mustang, on the SN95, and put them on this car. So it has the same lug pattern as the other car, and I like that about it. But unfortunately, I've decided to sell this car. It's too much. I don't really want to be out of that much money trying to repair it. And I'm not going to enjoy it. I mean, if I was capable of making this car a four-wheel drive car, or you know, was that more experienced, then I probably would like it. Or if I could swap it to a rear-wheel drive, I probably would like it even more. But since I can't really say I'm gonna keep this car. Yeah, I like the idea of it in the beginning as like a commuter car or something, or just a car to get around. But I really don't like it, so I posted it on a couple sites for $1,000. First come, first serve. Got a couple calls already. I just definitely, you know, I gotta let it go. Yeah, it was growing on me in the beginning until I realized, like, I jumped in my Mustang today, and I realized, like, I really don't. Because I've been fighting myself. Like, I really like muscle cars, but I was just going to give the car a chance because it was, like, my first car, you know. Maybe if it was a Vicar, I would have kept it, but since it's not, it's really not the same. And I already got enough cars, so I'm going to just let this car go. Yeah. And focus on some of my other projects, because since I've been working on the Mustang, the 5.0, I really haven't been focusing on the SN95 at all. But I did get around to throwing some primer on the car. I don't like my paint jobs at all. I really don't. I mean, it looks, on camera, it probably looks okay, but in real life, it's so fucked up. There's like big craters in the paint that wasn't there before when I painted it. It's just so much. I wet sanded it a few times because it was a lot worse than this. I wet sanded it a couple more times, but I really don't like it. But I really want with this car, I kind of want a tarnished look. Like a tarnished paint, like more like a faux patina, because the bumper was like that in the beginning, and I love the bumper the way it was, the colors on the bumper. Let me see if I got a picture of it. If I do have a picture, I'll post it. I'll put it in the video and show it out. But if I don't, then I just don't. But yeah, I like that a lot better than it just looking like a new car. I don't think that the SN95 gets the proper love. So I feel as though I should keep this car and try and do a lot more with it. Yeah, I actually like this car. This car grew on me. If I never end up selling the Acura, it'll probably be with me, and I know I won't leave it stock. Like if I end up stuck with that car, I won't leave it stock. I won't leave it with the normal stuff, with whatever's in there. I won't leave that like that. I just know myself, and I just won't. I'll see something for it, and I might not know too much about Acuras or know how to do it, but I'll end up doing it because I don't know. It's something about cars that's just untouched. I don't like it, you know. But for this one, I wanted to really do like a barrel motor, or like put the small block 350. Everybody knows that. That watches the videos. Like I really want more power for this car because it's basically a Fox body. It just got a new spin on it. It's basically a Fox body. It got the same, almost everything. You know what I'm saying? It's even to the point where you can interchange parts between the two cars. So, you know, I'm already used to driving this car, so I feel like once I really get the Fox up and running, that it'd be cool, man. I see you guys out there with those Coyote swaps. That's pretty cool, man. I wish I could do a Coyote swap. I wouldn't turn down a Coyote swap, man. If I won one of those giveaways and they was giving away like Coyote swap or something like that, I surely would do a Coyote swap, man. Them cars is like rockets, man. So fast. Yeah, man. But that's all I'm saying today. That's all I'm talking about. Peace.